After the arrest in the Bully Bai matter, the Delhi Police's IFSO unit has made a major crackdown in the Sully deal case as well. Joining with me right now is DCP IFSO unit KPS Malhotra. Sir, can you just give us a detail about the arrest that has been made in the Sully deal case and how was this person tracked down?
During the investigation of the Bully Bai case, we arrested Neeraj Bishnoi, and during his investigation and interrogation, along with the digital forensic examination of his gadgets, we found that he was even active in the month of July when the so-called Sully deal episode took place. So, trailing that and further probing into that matter, we found that there was one entity which shared the Sully deals app in their group. So we tracked that entity, the digital entity, and it was uncovered as Omkareshwar Thakur, and he has been arrested from Indore.
So this person was in a part of a Twitter group, and we believe that Neeraj was also a part of the same group. Has any action been taken against this group? Has it been blocked? And what about the other Twitter accounts who are also part of this group?
Once this fiasco took place and it created a lot of hue and cry, the cases were registered. So they basically dismantled their social media groups. As of now, those groups are not existing. But in the archives, in their forensic, in their digital gadgets, there is forensic evidence of those groups, and accordingly, they have been arrested in this case.
So the investigation in the Sully deal case, you guys were also expediting the MLAT to get information from GitHub. So far, the investigation in the Sully deals, has any information been shared from GitHub?
No. So far, we have not received any information from GitHub. The MLAT was through from our side, and it was to reach Department of Justice through Interpol. We were in the process of doing so, but we got a major breakthrough due to the investigation in the Bully Bai case and the digital footprinting our team undertook.
So Neeraj Bishnoi and Omkareshwar Thakur, both of them will be questioned together?
Yes, definitely, because they both were part of a same group in July. And even before that, they were communicating with each other. So what transpired before Sully deals and how it happened and what transpired after that, that's a part of our investigation.
So one last question. One common term that has come into surface is the word trad, because both of them were part of trad group. We've seen Neeraj Bishnoi also claiming himself to be a trad. How difficult it is to monitor these accounts, because they also indulge in hate speech, and what could be the further action from your side, especially from the cyber team of Delhi Police?
Look, even we decoded the word after hearing that they are member of so-called a trad group. Then we found that the trad group is a group of so-called traditionals. So they feel they're conservative. They don't want changes in life. They want to be the way the world was. But I think that's their own self-created philosophy. The point is that these 20-year-old youth are getting drifted by the so-called philosophies of their own, and then they are getting somewhere or the other social compulsion that, okay, in case you are a member of this, you have to profess this type of a thought process, you have to profess this type of ideology. I think that's a spiral they are going through, where parents and others have to see that what their kids are doing. Because in the end, what we have seen is that most of the people arrested in such cases are of a cohort group from 20 to 30, which is quite worrisome. Our action is towards enforcement, but parents and society's action has to be towards prevention.
More arrests and investigation in the case likely?
Let's see that we are at a very initial stage to comment on this, but definitely investigation as it unfolds, linkages uncover, actions will be taken.
Thank you for speaking, sir. Very important point made by DCP IFSO KPS Malhotra, that not just law enforcement agencies, probably it's the responsibility also of the parents to ensure that what their children are doing, because they have unearthed that probably it's the age group of 20 to 30 who's falling for this trap and misleading their life from here. With video journalist Shagun, this is Shreya Chatterjee for India Today.